How to create multiple Instagram accounts using one email. Let's get started. For that, first of all, simply open up Instagram application in your mobile device and then log in to your account. Once logged in, tap on your profile icon right over here, and just like that, tap on this three-line icon. Now tap on Account Center right over here. Scroll below, tap on Personal Details. Here you will see the email address that's already linked to your current account. Now, to create another Instagram account using the same email, you'll first need to log out of your current account. Simply scroll below, then tap on Log Out. Simply tap on Create a New Account. Now choose Sign Up with Email and then enter the same email address you used before. Instagram will detect that this email is already linked to your account, but don't worry, you'll see a pop-up asking if you want to continue creating your account. Simply tap on Continue Creating and Instagram will now send you a verification code to your email. Simply enter the code correctly, then create a new strong password. After that, set up your birth date, name, and username. And just like that, agree to Instagram terms and conditions. Choose a profile picture and complete the setup. And just like that, you're done. Your new Instagram account will be ready. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.